Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm so excited to try out a product from a brand that is new to me. I haven't heard of this brand before. It's called Kosmetik and I have here the Liquid Velvet Lipstick. So this is one of the products that I got in my May 2022 Boxycharm base box. So that unboxing video is up here on YouTube if you haven't seen it yet. But this is a $22 liquid lipstick, which to me is on the pricier end. So I am excited that I'm getting to try this out for such a good deal in Boxycharm. And I got this in the shade Bubbly. And when looking this up online, it comes in a bunch of different shades, like a big shade range, all sorts of colors, but this here looks so beautiful. This shade Bubbly, this is actually a type of color that I would have purchased on my own. And I laugh because Boxycharm tends to send me colors that are way out of my comfort zone, not the types of shades that I would typically purchase. So this one I'm like relieved to see, considering how many shades it comes in too. Like this is one of my top favorite shades that I saw on the website. But so let's go ahead and check out the applicator. Okay, just a classic doe foot applicator, which I like. Oh my gosh, it smells like absolutely nothing, which is totally fine. Before I go ahead and apply it to my lips, I do want to see how it swatches. Oh, wow. First of all, I love the color, like so pretty. And this is so pigmented. Oh my gosh, this looks beautiful. I'm so excited to put this on my lips. My lips are a little dry, so we'll see how this is on top of chapped lips as well. Ooh. Just so opaque with one swipe. Oh my goodness, I am loving how this looks upon first impression. It's a very thin formula. It kind of reminds me of paint when it's such a thin, almost like watery, light formula with so much pigment. It just feels like I'm painting onto my lips. Oh my gosh, this color though, it's actually very like wearable for a kind of bright, dark pink, yet very flattering. I feel like this would be a universally flattering shade. It's so gorgeous and a very even, smooth color that isn't clinging to the dry patches on my lips. And it's not making my lips look like it has a lot of lines, even though this is definitely dried down to a matte finish. It's not sticky, but it's like so matte dried down that I can't really rub my lips together, if that makes sense. But I'm hoping this is going to be very long lasting with no transfer. Let's find out. Oh, yes, there's like the slightest little hint of transfer, but still fully, completely intact on my lips. And I'm so happy to see that. This is seriously exactly what I want in my liquid lipsticks. A beautiful color, a beautiful formula that's flattering on the lips, not too drying, super long lasting with barely any transfer. So this shade is called Bubbly, which makes me think of celebrations, and I have fun celebrations and events coming up because of being newly engaged, and I just feel like this is going to be such a beautiful shade to wear for like my engagement party or something where I'm going to be having bubbly bachelorette party, because then it's long lasting, it's pretty, it's dolled up, but I'm not going to be worrying about it coming off and having to reapply. So yay, I'm super excited about this. I just love everything about it. So I would love to have this in other shades, but definitely want to try out more from this brand, Kosmetik. So it says on the product information card here that it's a new brand to Boxy. So I would love to get more products in Boxycharm from this brand because I'm so impressed by this formula. So if you have tried this out, maybe in a different shade, let me know in the comments down below what you think of it. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.